Roborock P20 Ultra is the most advanced cleaning robot from this manufacturer. It comes with slim design and has been recently announced in China. This robot vacuum cleaner has an ultra slim body of only 798 centimeters thanks to a dual perspective system, allowing it to slide under furniture and beds with ease, as well as improving navigation to not get lost or stuck. It includes a 4-step anti-tangle system, ideal for homes with pets where there is too much hair with a brush. The main bristle width of 45 degrees and silicone blades, accompanied by 22,000 pascals of suction to pick up all the dirt. It also features a spiral side brush that ensures tangle-free cleaning of edges and corners, and for mopping it offers 12 newtons of hot water pressure. 2,000 revolutions per minute rotating mops and 30 adjustable water levels, with a 99.99% sterilization according to the manufacturer's data. Obviously perfect for homes where cleaning is a must, is a priority. In addition, it can overcome obstacles 4 centimeters high thanks to small legs that lift the robot, and has artificial intelligence that recognizes 108 types of objects in 26 categories, combining RGB cameras and height sensors for completely accurate navigation. As you can see, it is a high-end robot, and the price announced for China in pre-sale is 3,999 yuan. That is more or less $550. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies, but remember that the prices here are not the same as there. There is also a version with automatic water recharging in its charging station at a price of 4,599 yuan. That is more, or $635. Again, you have the reference prices in other currencies directly on your screen. Let me know your opinion. Would you buy it for your home?